speaking of family,
Yes.
Since the second we got here, everyone is just so nice and kind. And we do know that you work for your family, so off the record, what is that like, working in the family business?
Generally, it's pretty good, and it's fun to have different ideas. Like Bob has named all the vineyards after his daughter, my sister, and his granddaughters, which I had contributed 3 to.
Very good.
So we have like 7 different vineyards, and they're all named after all the girls in the family, which then became a point of contention with our wives and my
naturally.
mother,
Yeah.
who didn't get anything named after them. So we changed that in the last couple of years. I said, why don't we start renaming the wines? So we have like a Chardonnay, Jane's Barrel Select Chardonnay, and then we have Marion's Meritage, that's my wife, and my brother's wife is Sahar, so we have a Sahar's Sauvignon Blanc. So now we can get more
Flows
names.
well, I like that.
Alliteration
Eric's
is big.
estate somewhere in the future.
Yeah, is something
possibly.
named after you?
Yeah,
guys?
no. Anytime I bring that up, Bob says, why isn't it named after him?
Yeah.
You know, because it's hard to get it away from...
Touche, yeah.
Right, so that's how hard.
But there will be a CJ Chardonnay
I
somewhere in
like
the future.
that. I hope
Yeah,
so.
yeah, there will be.
That's
Yeah.
good. It keeps everybody happy, out
Yeah.
of trouble.
Mama happy, everyone's happy.
Exactly,
All right.
exactly.
So why did your mom and dad decide to even open this after their successes?
I always get in trouble because my version of the story always ends up being something exaggerated, possibly. But we can go ask Bob himself if you guys want to go meet him.
I would love
Yeah.
to, please.
Okay,
Thank
definitely.
you.
Yeah.
All right, we'll drink this on the way.
Okay, CJ, once again, you are right. Their wine is excellent.
Wait, what? Say the first part again.
Wine was good.
No, before that.
You're right.
I was right.